Live screen recording. This is a 15-minute K-line chart of Bitcoin on the night of May 19th. I see a bearish candle with a low close above the Bollinger Bands. Although this is not a very clear short signal, I can try to calculate the profit and loss ratio. The stop loss is placed at the previous high, and the entry is placed one tick below the negative line. I judge that the current price is moving closer to the EMA 20 moving average, or it may be forming a top pattern. There is not a clear enough short signal yet, so I choose to wait patiently. Go to the 5-minute level and take a look. You can see it here. These bearish candles all have low closes, barely visible lower shadows, are not small in size, and form a micro double top here. I consider this bearish candle a short signal. The long upper shadow shows that the bulls have tried to reverse but failed, and closing at the lowest price shows that the shorts are in a dominant position. Both bearish candles closed at the lowest price, with the second closing below the first. I judge that it may be difficult for the market to form a double top structure. Instead, I will directly try to backtest around the EMA 20 moving average. The moving average position is also exactly twice the previously calculated take-profit target level. This bearish candle is very beautiful. It is large enough, closed very low, and formed a top structure with the previous one. This is a better and clearer short signal than before. It has reached the previous target of doubling the profit-loss ratio, but we haven't seen many people pointing to gains and bullish entries driving the rise together. I judge that the second short selling signal was more obvious, and many people entered the market using this as a short selling signal. So I thought that the market would continue to fall, reaching 2 times the profit-taking point or even more. These bearish candles all closed very low, and the follow-up candlesticks were very good, and the lows continued to fall. This shows that the current market is falling, and I currently have no reason to exit and take profits and should continue to hold. It can be seen from this period of market that the short sellers have occupied EMA 20 and created a gap with the moving average. The initial take-profit target level of twice has been reached here, and more people will choose to enter the market at the second, more clear short-selling signal, so the price is still falling. Here I use the second short-selling signal to measure the profit-loss ratio. You can see that take-profit occurs at the 1-time and 2-time profit-taking points, and at the same time, long positions cause the price to rise. I made such a transaction that night. I hope someone can make some suggestions. Everyone is welcome to come to my Twitch live room to communicate and learn about price behavior.